Hi everyone, and welcome back. It's James. I've got a motorcycle battery for my Honda PCX. I ordered it from Amazon Japan for 5,887 yen. That's about $54 US. Let's open it and install it. Yeah. You're looking at Amazon Japan's website. I ordered a Taiwan Yuasa TTZ7SL sealed motorcycle battery pre-charged. So I wanted to replace my battery just in case. It's been about 1.5 years. All right, let's open it. It comes with Japanese instructions. Don't worry about it. English instructions. Okay, anyway, it comes with nuts and bolts. That's good. And this is the battery. This seal just says it's new. I could just leave it on or just take it off, whatever. This battery is filled with acid, so maybe I should use gloves. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, let's go out and remove the old battery. Let's go out and remove the old battery from my PCX. You're looking at my Honda PCX 125. It's about 9 years old. Okay, the battery is located under the seat, so lift that up. And it's behind this door. This is a plastic screw, so you can just pry it off with your finger. It's real easy. There, don't lose it. It's this little screw, okay? And the battery is behind this door. Pull this off. There it is. So you're gonna have to remove this screw, and this covering, and this screw, and remove this fastener belt. Okay, I'm gonna ground myself. As you can tell, it's dirty, so I'm going to put on some gloves. Okay, I'm going to unfasten this belt. Okay, there's a little hook to this little plastic down here, so you have to push it down. It's a little hard, but you push it down, and it'll slide out like this, there. When you put this back on, you push it down. You push it down hard, and it should lock into place, like that. So, push down. Okay, now to unscrew these. Now to take the battery out. It's easy. Just pull it towards you. If it's hard, you can use clamps. This battery's really stubborn. Just gotta use pliers and get it to pull there. See? Over time, it just got wedged inside. So I'm taking it out. There it is. I'm gonna clean the inside a bit. This is the old battery. Now for the new battery, but I'm going to clean the inside a bit. I'll be right back. Okay. I'm positive this will fit. I've already checked. It's the exact one. Here's the old battery, and here's the new battery. The exact screws and nuts. By the way, it's really hot. It's July 15th, 2020. So I'm going to put these little square nuts in here first, because that'll lock in the screws. Okay. I remove my gloves and hold the nuts. Okay, and pull this belt up, because you want to be able to wrap it around it. This is what you're going to do. You're going to put the strap back on first. Put this little plate on the terminal with the screw. Like that. And you're going to screw them in. I've already gone ahead and screwed the left side, the positive side. Just like that. Make sure it catches. Yep. Just like that. Okay, now I'm going to put this rubber thing back on. Before I put the cover back on, I'm going to test it out. Yes, I've got power. Perfect. Perfect, it works perfectly. I'm testing it in. Perfect, it starts quickly. I'm gonna let this run for a while. Now I'm ready to put the cover back on, and that's how to do it. Okay, all done. Perfect. And that's how to replace your battery on a PCX. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.